Good afternoon, all my friends, followers, and subscribers. I am Rina Kutsia from Ermelo, Mpumalanga, and our beautiful country is South Africa. Now I am with the last one, which I want to discuss with all of you, and that one is fight. I discussed already the others. God first, love, communication, respect, honest, and God always first, and fight. I've got only 3 minutes to say what I want to say and which is in my heart. Fight. Everybody, when you are in a years, if you are married a lot of years, to fight, we all fight. That is so very, very normal. But the thing comes in, when you are fighting, how can I say it? You can fight, but in the evening, before you go to sleep, the one that started the fight or the one which is wrong, say for instance, it's myself, I said something to my hubby, and it makes him very unhappy, then I have to say for him, before sleeping time, I'm sorry. Because why I say you must do that, you don't know if our Heavenly Father will open your eyes the next morning. And say, for instance, he doesn't wake up the next morning, and that will haunt me for life, because I didn't tell him that I'm sorry for what I said to him. That is so very important. Remember that. Why I'm doing these videos, all the others which are not long married, I want to give you tips, because I'm an old fool already. I know how we are married nearly 44 years. So I've only got 3 minutes and I've got 20 seconds left, so I can't actually say more. So remember that. You can fight, it's normal, but say sorry before sleeping time. Goodbye, out of South Africa. All the best and God bless. Bye-bye.